Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you a snack size tutorial. Now, what you're going to need today is just some plain white jewelry like this. Glass always works best when coloring it. You're going to need permanent markers, or what I use is a magic marker because you get more color variety and it's a little less permanent. Just put the jewelry down and we're going to turn from this to this. See? It's really simple. I'll show you. What you do is you just take your earring or drop it. That works too. Grab it and just get a good grip on it and just color it in. Really easy. See? That way you're not spending hundreds of dollars on drag jewelry. Say you have a pageant coming up and you need jewelry to specifically match a gown. This is a really economical way of making jewelry. And to wash it off, you don't want the color to be permanent. You simply just soak it in some acetone and that'll take the color right out. Yeah, see that? Super duper easy. And now we have jewelry that'll match our costumes, and we didn't break the bank to do it. It cost literally a nickel. I recommend doing this with gloves on because if your fingers touch it, it will strip the color away. That's one thing to be made aware of. Be very delicate when putting it on, because even a little glue on this will strip the color away and it'll be all over your hands. It could possibly get on your costumes as well. But see that? Simple. Now we have beautiful, colorful pink jewelry. This was an easy bite-sized tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you missed seeing my face, here's my face in the corner. You're welcome.